Have you experienced virtual reality or augmented reality? Your mobile has an internet. If the same internet is going into a thing around us, then that becomes an IoT device. Literally anything around you can become smart. This is what Internet of Things is all about.
It was really amazing. I never thought I can do it.
I thought that it would be very tough.
An IoT device is completely on your imagination. It's not just about making things around us smart. We can build real applications where any vertical can be taken advantage from. First, we'll do hardware hello world, which is nothing but blinking the LED. Then we'll connect the IR sensor and we'll see the functionality of it. Third step, we'll connect it to the internet and we'll trigger an email when you activate the sensor.
Building this, we got so much confidence.
I experienced so many things which is done automatically by sensing.
I learned a lot of things about sensors and IoT.
And I gained skills beyond the concepts.
Who would like to talk next?
Hi guys, good evening. Today my IoT idea is going to be a robot girl.
My idea is a hotel like Amazon Go.
Our team name is HealthSphere. We're replacing all the machines with AI models to monitor the patients 24/7.
My team name is Covision and we are working on improper waste management.
So if I want to tell about this workshop in one sentence, it's all about enthusiasm and energy of the students who attended this workshop.
Sometimes they says that expect the unexpected. I felt that.
After completion of the class, it was very easy and it was very simple to understand.
I got a confidence that I can build really some projects by my own.
It was very nice having a great opportunity in our campus like IoT. It was a very good felt right there.